So hello, nice weather today, huh?
It's beautiful. I couldn't ask for anything better.
Yeah. So the weather destroyed your business today?
Yeah, but that's part of the business, you know. You never know what's going to happen, and that's what keeps it interesting.
Yeah. So I heard you're from down under. The street theater or the street performers are not such a big tradition here in Mariboru. How is it in Australia?
There are lots of street performers in Australia. In certain cities, in the big cities, there are big street performing cultures, and everyone knows that if you go into the middle of the city, you can see some street theatre, which is great.
Oh. And why have you decided to become a street performer? I mean, it's not a usual job.
I do lots of different kinds of circus performing. Some is in theatres, and some, like this, is on the street where I hold out a hat at the end. I enjoy this kind because it's always different. I don't know what's going to happen, like it's going to rain on my head. And also because I find out if I have something in my show that's not good, I find out straight away because people walk away.
When we talk about street performers, we always have in mind Paris, London, Barcelona. Are people in other cities used to put coins in your head?
Not always. In some smaller cities where they don't have performers there every weekend, they don't know what to do because they haven't seen it before, and they also don't know how much to give sometimes, so you have to tell them. Sometimes they think it's okay to give you 5 cents, and you have to tell them, no, this costs €500. Or not that much, but yes.
We haven't seen that much of your performance today, but what is it about? What have we missed?
I wish I knew what it was about. It's a collection of physical comedy and circus stunts. So the end of my show is juggling a samurai sword and an onion and a flaming axe, all while blindfolded and eating the onion. So it's a big stunt. No one else in the world does it. But it's not that I'm talented, just that I'm, a little bit silly.
I was healthy to eat onion. Well, I hope you have nice weather in Australia. Thank you so much.
Thanks very much.